What's up, guys? So today I'm here with Myfirstwig again. All right, this is the packaging, you know, the usual red and white box, very classy, very clean. So I got this pouch with goodies, which I'm gonna get into an information card, and then inside the pouch we have two clips and a rat tail comb. That's it. Also got a drawstring bag, which is branded, and this has today's wig. So the wig we're working with is a water wave curly glueless invisible lace front wig, and it looks great, guys. It's pre-cut, pre-plucked. All right, it has all the security inside the cap, so let's get into it. It has this adjustable elastic band, which is branded, adjustable straps in the back, and combs inside of the cap. The lace is already bleached on this. It is a gorgeous invisible Swiss lace. This is Malaysian version here, by the way. If you guys are wondering, I went ahead and slipped it on. The length of this wig is also 18 inches long, and it's 180% in density. All I needed to do was get some of my lace bond spray to tack the size down. That was it. Remember, I said it's a glueless lace front wig. All right, very beginner friendly, little to no experience needed to go ahead and apply this. After I was done with applying that spray, I pretty much just tied a headband around it just to keep it secure and in place and allow it to dry down. And I was just fluffing the hair to show you guys what we're working with. As I say, it's 180% density, so it is pretty average, you know. It's very, very, very lightweight. And I went ahead and I just applied some spray, some water to spritz that down so I could give you guys a very nice defined look. The hair itself is really, really soft. It's very silky, and you know, I love that. I love the fact that everything is so nicely customized already. Like, you know, as I said, you know, it's a pre-plucked hairline, invisible melted lace, lightly bleached knots, and it's free parting. And I'm gonna show you guys that in a few, because you have so much space to work with if you want to do different type of styles with this. So yeah, I absolutely love that. So I was just really thorough with just spraying that down. All I was applying to it was just some water, because I don't want it to be too weighed down. If you want like an extreme wet look, then you could apply a conditioner or mousse along with the water, and that would really keep your wet look for a long period. Mousse kind of pushes it to the, you know, extreme limit where it stays like in the exact wet look, if that's what you're going for. But I wanted it to fluff up and have the definition, so I just use water. I'm just showing you guys that you have a good amount of lace space to work with if you decide to go ahead and style it different ways. So that's really good, and it looks so much like scalp. Okay, let's talk about that. The knots were not over bleached. As I said, they're lightly bleached. Everything comes off looking so natural, so absolutely love that. I know that everybody wants them a really good glueless wig these days, and let me tell you, this is definitely one of them. Okay. So the first part thing I gave you guys a side part vibe, but I eventually switched it to middle part. I just wanted to give you guys variety with the looks, so that's how it looks. Yeah, invisible lace indeed. You saw the close-up. It looks really good. The knots are very undetectable. I love that. You guys know I love a good natural lace front wig. It's giving. It definitely is giving. So now I basically move on to switching it to a center part. All right, so if you want a nice bust down vibe, then this is all you have to do to achieve that. Very, very easy. So yeah, that's it. Completely glueless. That's how we're looking. Everything looks super natural. So easy, guys. You saw it. Super easy installation. Love it. I definitely would recommend. I'm going to be sure to leave the direct link down below in my description box, so please check that out. All the hair specifications will be listed as well. That's it for today's wig look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.